Hello my kids, how are you all? Hope you're all doing good at home. Your Manisha ma'am is here again with another lovely video. Do you want to know children today what am I going to teach you? Today I will be teaching you safety rules. What are safety rules children? Now when you go out of your house, you should follow some rules so that you can be safe. Alright, now today I will show you something with the help of which you will learn what are those safety rules that you should follow while you are out of your house. Alright, come with me. So children, the first thing when you go out of your house, you should follow is that you should always walk from the left side of the road. You can see children, this boy is walking from the left side. Alright, you should always walk from your left side. Alright children, so this is the first rule that you should follow. Okay. Next is, children, what can you see in the picture? That the boys are walking from the zebra crossing. They are using the zebra crossing to cross the road. You should always walk with the help of the zebra crossing. Alright? When you walk from the zebra crossing, you are safe from there. Okay? And children, what is the next one? See, the boy is holding the hand of his mama and walking. So children, you are too small. So when you go outside, you should always hold the hands of your elders. Alright? You should not walk alone. Okay? See, the boy is holding the hand of this elderly person. Alright children? Now next is, see children, you can see 4 children are there. 4 small children are there. They are playing. They are playing in the park. You should always play in the park, not on the road. Right children? You should always play in the park, not on the road. Alright? Now, here what can you see children in this picture? You can see that these 3 children are getting up in the bus. They are boarding the bus, right? See, they are boarding in a line. They are maintaining a line and then they are getting up. So you should also do it. You should not be in a hurry or you should not push or pull anybody. Okay? So when you are boarding a bus, you should always maintain a line. You should be in a queue. Alright? And the last thing that I'm going to show you is this. What is this children? This is a traffic light. Now, traffic light has 3 lights, 3 colors. The first one is red color. And you know children, red is the symbol of what? It means to stop. Okay? It means to stop, that you should stop on the road. You should not walk or you should not drive. The next is yellow. Yellow means wait. That means you should wait. The last one is green. Green means go. As soon as you see the green signal, you should start your journey. Right children? When it is yellow, you should wait for the green signal. Alright? And red is the symbol of stop. You should stop. You should not move. So these are the traffic rules that you should follow when you are out. Alright? So children, what did we learn from this video? From those pictures, what did you learn? We have learned that when we are out of our house, we should follow those rules so that we can be safe outside. Yes or no, children? I hope you will learn all these things. I hope you will maintain all those rules. Yes or no? I hope you will follow. All right. So children, follow those rules. Follow those safety rules so that you can be safe. So that my lovely kids be safe outside. All right. Now you are at home. You are safe at home. When you go outside, follow those rules so that you can be safe outside also. Yes or no? Okay. Bye, children.